Okay, just a little recap on TVM. So basically, these are the 5 formulas that we actually use. If you know 4 of it, then you can calculate the answer. I actually use Google spreadsheet to use this formula. We also talk about the end and beginning of the payment. Okay, let's move on. So this is the real case study. Okay, see, this offer is you can transfer from one credit card to another credit card, from one bank to another bank. These are the rate they charge you. Do you notice something special here? F, right? Why? It is 0%, no interest. But then A, B, C, D, and E, how does this work? If you transfer to be minimum 1,000, and they will charge you the management fee, which is upfront, if not mistaken. So I will think that this 1% is paid at the first installment. I'm interested in knowing which plan actually give you good rate. So this is how it works. You just need 2 data. One is the cash, one is the dates of the transaction, right? And then the other one is the cash flow. Let's jot down the information first. Plan A, loan amount, let's say we put 1,000. And then the upfront charge, 1%, 10 ringgit. Now we try to figure out the cash flow. So let's put date here, and then we put cash flow here. Plan A, tenure is 6 months. We want to know the installment. The installment should be equals to this divided by 6 months. So this is the installment you need to pay. Now we want to figure out the cash flow, 1,000. And then 1 month later, you start your first installment, right? 176.67, which is equals to this one plus this one. Okay, we can get on to the next few months. So you see the sum here, you total payback 1010. And then let's calculate the XIRR. Plan A rate, XIRR. And then you select the cash flow amount, and then you select the date amount. Then you get your rate. So the highest rate is actually Plan E. Plan D, 4.5%. Plan C, 4.55%. Plan B, 4.82%. And Plan A, 3.57%. This is the answer. In this case, that's no brainer to take F. This money, I take it out, I can put it anywhere that has opportunity cost.